Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to draw Gojo and Geto. We'll begin by establishing the basic head shapes and facial guidelines for both characters, ensuring their proportions are correct from the start. Next, we'll focus on their iconic hairstyles and the distinct shapes of their eyes, which are crucial for capturing their individual personalities. Finally, we'll detail their signature outfits and accessories, bringing these powerful sorcerers to life on your page. Let's dive into Gojo Satoru's defining characteristics. His spiky white hair is a major identifier, often appearing voluminous and dynamic. When drawing his eyes, remember the powerful six eyes, typically hidden behind his signature black blindfold or sleek, dark glasses. Pay attention to his tall, athletic physique and the way his Jujutsu high uniform drapes, adding to his confident posture. Capturing these elements will make your Gojo drawing instantly recognizable. Now let's focus on Geto Suguru's distinctive appearance. His long, dark hair, frequently styled in a neat top knot or bun, is a key feature. When drawing his face, convey his calm yet intense gaze and the subtle nuances of his expressions, which often hint at his complex personality. Whether in his traditional monk-like robes or the Jujutsu high uniform, ensure his clothing reflects his composed demeanor. These details are essential for an accurate portrayal. Finally, let's explore dynamic posing and composition for both characters. Experiment with various action poses that highlight their unique abilities and personalities, whether they are fighting or simply interacting. Think about how they might stand together, perhaps back-to-back or facing an opponent, to create a compelling scene. Incorporating simple background elements can further enhance the narrative and bring your drawing to life, adding depth and context to your artwork.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.